Welcome to Math Lab. You are on your journey to discover more about multiplication of integers. There are a few things you need to remember while multiplying two integers. If the product of the two numbers is 6, then we know 1 into 6 is equal to 6, or we have one group of 6. Or 2 into 3 is equal to 6, so you have two groups of 3. Or 3 into 2 is equal to 6, so you have three groups of 2. Or 6 into 1 is equal to 6, you have 6 groups of 1. Today, you will use a Z-chip to discover multiplication of integers. Remember, minus 2 plus 2 is equal to 0. That is, 2 negative charges plus 2 positive charges is equal to 0. The two charges cancel each other. When you solve your problems, remember you will always begin with 12 negative and 12 positive charges. So, what is the initial charge on your Z-chip? Yes, indeed, it is 0. Now, plus 4 into plus 3 implies I add 4 groups of 3 positive charges. This is the initial charge on my Z-chip. Here I have added 4 groups of 3 positive charges. Can you find the final charge on your Z-chip? Minus 4 into plus 3 implies I remove 4 groups of 3 positive charges. So right here, I have removed one group of 3, another group of 3, another group of 3 and a fourth group of 3. What do you think is your final charge? Is it negative? Plus 4 into minus 3 implies I add 4 groups of 3 negative charges. So, you can see this is how the initial position of the Z-chip was. Here I have added one group of 3 negative, 2 groups of 3, 3 groups of 3 and 4 groups of 3 negative charges. What do you think is the final charge on your Z-chip? Minus 4 into minus 3 implies I remove 4 groups of 3 negative charges. So right here I have removed one group, 2 groups, 3 groups and 4 groups. Is your answer positive? Can you find the final charge? Have fun discovering more about multiplication of integers.